Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see a great AI tool, that is Eleven Labs. It helps to convert text to speech, and it's a online for free AI tool. So now let's explore detail what are the advantages and how we can use it and what are the peculiarities of it. Okay.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
So if we log on to elevenlabs.io, you will end up this page. This will be the landing page. And you can see it's like a generative voice AI, convert speech to text online for free with our AI voice generator. And it's perfect for video creators, developers, and businesses, because nowadays it's important, right? Whatever the text we are giving, it has to be converted to the required language, right? It could be international, regional, so that all should be benefited, right? So you can see the languages that it support also, like English, Chinese, Hindi, Portuguese, Tamil, and you can see a lot of the languages which have been used. So we should sign up. So after we sign up, it will end up to this page. Okay, so it will end up, this is the thing after signing up. And you can see speech synthesis, unleash the power of our cutting edge technology. And you can see like text to speech, speech to speech. Okay, so here are the settings part. Okay, like task we are going now, we'll be looking into text to speech. Okay, you can see English, Japanese, as whatever we have seen. Okay, and whichever we want we can use over here. Okay, this will be, there are a lot of means divisions over here, so whichever we want we can do. Okay, for time being I will be using this. And you can choose who should be the translator, right? Whether it should be means Alice, Brian, Chris. Okay, and they have given what are on what basis they are good at, actually, like new, British, confident, news. It is for narration, conversational. Like, okay, so I'll be using Alice because like news is there, confident. Okay, it's up to us. Okay, it's not a hard fast rule. And you can do your voice settings over here. Default, from my understanding, it seems to be good. Okay, unless you need to do some settings, or if you want to do some fine tuning, then you can use it. Okay, so now let's start from the basic. Okay, so I'm giving hi, how are you? Okay, so I'm not giving any question mark, or I'm not giving any comma, so that you can understand how it is recognizing the exclamation marks and other question marks. Okay.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, so now you have seen this. Now I am giving with a comma and a question mark.
Hi, how are you?
So now you might have seen, and I'm giving exclamation.
Hi, how are you?
So now you might have understood, right? The three differences. In the earlier one, I just gave an ordinary word. There are no means like question marks or exclamation or any punctuations. I just, in second part I gave with a question mark, and the third part I gave with a exclamation. So based on that, you might have recognized how it is means modulating, and how it is giving the voice from the text. So that is the advantage of this tool. Okay, so now let me give some other language, like I'll be taking this Hindi. So
फूड डिलीवरी करने वाली कंपनी जोमैटो को तगड़ा झटका लगा है। कंपनी को भारी भरकम जीएसटी का नोटिस मिला है। कंपनी को यह नोटिस कर्नाटक में कमर्शियल टैक्स ऑडिट के असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर से मिला है। ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर देकर खाना मंगाने की सुविधा देने वाले मंच जोमैटो को कर अधिकारियों से
So now you might have understood, right? How it has read. Okay, and now I'll give one more language. I will give a Tamil language. It's a regional language. Let's see how it is generating. It's still processing.
இந்தியாவின் மிகப்பெரிய குழுமமான ரிலையன்ஸ் நிறுவனம் நடப்பு நிதியாண்டிற்கான 3வது காலாண்டு முடிவுகளை பிரபல ரிலையன்ஸ் குழுமம் வெளியிட்டுள்ளது. அதில் இடம்பெற்றுள்ள விவரங்கள் வருமாறு: நிறுவனத்தின் நிகர லாபம் ரூ.51 கோடியாகவும் இதன் ஆண்டுக்காண்டு வளர்ச்சி விகிதமானது 8.82% உயர்ந்திருக்கிறது.
So now you might have understood how it is means exactly doing. And maybe I will try once again the first part what I have given. Maybe mistakenly I might have pressed this. Okay, so I will try. Hi. Oh. Hi, how are you? Okay, I didn't do anything. Just let me generate.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, that is one. Okay, now I am giving with comma and a question mark.
Hi, how are you?
So now we can see the differences from the first end. Now it is with exclamation.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, so now you might have seen, right, the three differences, how it is means based on the means the exclamation or the question mark, how it is identifying and how it is giving the voice. And you might have seen with the help of Hindi and we have given Tamil. Similarly, you can use your own, means like in case of Turkish or whatever languages we have seen, right? Based on that, you can use it actually. Okay, and in the right hand side, you can see all the part over here, whatever you have seen. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this session. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.